Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell my transformation from zero to hero in English. Going ahead, I would like to give my introduction. So hello everyone. My name is Vikas Kisanji Bhagat. I am studying in 9th standard. My school name is Sri Satya Sai Niketan High School from English medium. I want to become DM in my life and I want to be English confident till 24 June 2023. Friends, you all are seeing me here front of camera with confidence. Just wait, let me tell you before how I was before joining Zero to Hero in English Academy. One incident I want to share. In school lecture was going and suddenly teacher made me stand and she asked me one question, but that question's answer I knew I was not able to give answer in English. That day I felt very bad. And even giving answer in front of all students with confidently, I was not that much confident to give answer with full confidence. Somewhere I was fearing if I will tell answer then what will happen, but that question's answer I knew, then also I was not able to give. And second, I was not able to write properly English. Means my grammatically mistake was so much grammatically mistake was there in my English paper and other papers. I am from English medium and in other papers and in English paper there was so much grammatically mistake and now I am not doing. And after joining this class, you all are seeing me here front of camera because of Zero to Hero in English Academy. Before joining this class, I never made even a single video and I was fearing to come front of camera. Now I am full confident front of camera and I am not fearing this camera. This camera is a toy. And now means this is because of only and only Zero to Hero in English Academy. Now I am full confident. Now means I am not fearing to go anywhere because of only Zero to Hero in English, and now I can write in English anything and now I am full confident. And this is my this is my biggest transformation, and not even in Zero to Hero in English there is only English, there is a career guidance. Always I get career guidance because of class, and because of Zero to Hero in English Academy I could become too much aligned to my goal and I become too much serious towards my goal. Really, thank you Zero to Hero in English Academy. Thank you.